안녕하세요. Today we're gonna talk about topic particle 은 or 는. The topic particle 는 are the particles that attach to the nouns that is the topic of the sentence. So you choose between 은 and 는 depends on the noun's 받침. So noun with no 받침, that means end with a vowel, you attach 는. So let's look at the picture. Her name is Dani. So Dani, the last syllable end with a vowel e. There's no 받침, so you attach 는. So Dani는, that means we'll talk about Dani. So Dani is a topic of the rest of the sentence. The next one, noun with 받침. That means the noun end with a final consonant. In this case, you attach 은. So his name is Stephen. So Stephen, last syllable, there's a 받침. So you attach 은. So Stephen은. So you're gonna talk about Stephen. So Stephen is a topic of the sentence. And her name is Maria. So Maria, last syllable a, there's no 받침, so you attach 는. So Maria는, and you can make a rest of sentence, right? And then his name is Michael. Michael, the last syllable 클, there is a 받침, so you attach 은. So 마이클은. And her name is Madison. There is a 받침 on 쓴, right? So medicine은. Bella, Bella, there is a no 받침 and with a vowel a. So Bella는. Next person, Eric. So Eric, there is a 받침, so 에릭은. And last person, 준기, there is no 받침, e, and with a vowel e, so you attach 는. So 준기는. And you're gonna make the rest of the sentence. So let's make a sentence. Medicine and 학생. So her name is Medicine and Medicine is a student, right? So Medicine is a student. So we're gonna talk about medicine, right? So let's make a medicine as a topic of this sentence. So you need a topic particle 은 or 는. But there is a 쓴, there is a 받침, so you attach 은. So medicine은, and she's a student. 학생이에요. So medicine, student, maybe is, right? So medicine is a student. And next one, her name is Yang Yang, and she's Chinese, right? So we're gonna make Yang Yang is Chinese. So Yang Yang is the topic of this sentence. So there's a 받침 of Yang. So Yang Yang은, and then Chinese, 중국 사람, and then 이에요, right? So Yang Yang은 중국 사람이에요. And Henry, his name is Henry, and his job is teacher, 선생님, teacher. So Henry is a teacher, right? So Henry is the topic of this sentence. So Lee, there's no 받침, so you attach 는, and 선생님, and then the verb, the 예요 or 이에요, you choose, right? But 선생님, there's a 받침 of the last syllable 님, so you choose 이에요. So 헨리는 선생님이에요. And his name is Jungi, and he's Korean, right? So Jungi is a Korean. So how to say? 준기는 Korean, 한국 사람이에요. So we've talked about the topic particle 은는, this one attached to the noun, and you choose 은 or 는, depends on the noun's 받침, right? So see you again, and 또 만나요, and 고맙습니다.